Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out cut length of circular stirrup. Okay, so let's get started. Here is basically the circular column which dia is 24 inch. I am talking about external dia including concrete. Okay, so D is equal to 24 inch. Now let's look about the given data. Dia of column is 24 inch and dia of stirrup that we are using here is number 3 by 8 inch, and concrete cover over here is 1.5 inch, and hook we will take as 10D. Okay, so we need to find out this dia. This dia is basically right from center of this stirrup up till center of this stirrup. Okay, this is the same stirrup, so from this center up till this center is the dia. So how we can find out this one? Basically we need to do the deduction of concrete cover at this end and concrete cover at this end, and half dia at this end and half dia at this end in order to find out this D. Okay, so let's see the formula over here. Basically cutting length circular stirrup formula is pi into D. Okay, this is basically internal dia. I have already explained how we can find out this internal dia. Pi is basically 3.142 if you know the value, multiply by D, this D, plus hook length. We have two hooks over here, this one and this one, minus we need to do the bend deduction for these hooks. Okay, so where D is equal to this D minus 2 into clear cover. Okay, 2, we have two sides into clear cover, minus dia bar, half dia at this end, half dia at this end. Okay, so it will make what? The full dia. Okay, so this is basically D. First let's find out the D. 24 minus 2 into 1.5 mean clear cover minus dia bar. So D, we know this D is equal to 20.625. Okay. Next to it, for cut length we know the formula is pi into D. So pi is 3.142 into D is 20.625, plus we need to add the hook length over here, 2 into 10D hook length, and then we need to do the bend deduction. Bend deduction over here is 135-degree bend. Okay, because we have these two hooks over here, so we have two bends, 2 into 3 into dia bar. Okay, so this is basically bend deduction. Now cut length will be equal to what? 70.05 inch or 5.84 feet for this circular stirrup. Okay, so this is how we can find out cut length of circular stirrup. Hope you really understand this session. I'll see you in the next.